Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the new type of Miui 13 control center panel in the Mi 11X device after the Miui 13 update. Yes friends, after the Miui 13 update also you won't be able to get this control panel. As you can see friends, this is a new type of control notification panel which is present. You cannot get that after the update, but you need to install the separate APK to get this kind of feature enabled in the Mi 11X device. And this particular APK I did post in my Telegram group channel, so make sure to join my Telegram group channel, which is a SciTech Guru YT. This is the name of my Telegram group channel, SciTech Guru YT, as you can clearly see. And in this group channel there is the APK which is available, Miui 13 notification control panel, which is the APK, and try to install this APK in your device. So once you install this APK in your device, the control center will be definitely changing to this type of new type of control center in the Mi 11X device. Only in this way you will be able to access the latest type of control panel. And same thing I have done in my other phones, for example POCO X8 GT. POCO X8 GT also same thing. It was not enabled before, but I need to install the application so to enable this control panel, and now it looks like this. So as you can see friends, and the application what I did post in the Telegram group is the System UI plugin. So this exact APK which I posted in the Telegram group channel, and try to install that. And if you want to go back to the previous notification style, try to click on install updates, and that's it. You will be going back to the previous style of design regarding the notification panel. And in this way you will be able to get to this MIUI 13 new type of notification panel friends. And make sure to join my Telegram group to download the link available. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until next time for more updates, and bye.